end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in the air, carols playing in the air. I dream of December.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. And today, finally, ay day off na po after my 2 weeks vacation, diretsong work. And nakapag-day off din. Actually, kahapon pa yung day off ko. Pero, syempre, natulog muna ako. Recover. Hindi pa ako nakaka-recover sa gala ko, workout kasi ako agad. Parang after, dumating ako na madaling araw dito sa Iowa. And then, work ako agad kinagabihan. So, parang yung katawan ko parang, So, nagpahinga muna ako yesterday. So, today, guys, we're gonna decorate the Christmas tree. And then, I just realized, after watching a lot of videos kung paano mag-decorate ng Christmas tree, I just realized na yung $200 that I bought from Hobby Lobby na mga decoration, parang kulang pa siya. Hindi siya yung ganun ka-plump na Christmas tree na parang sa iniisip ko. Pero, wala anong date na gusto kong ma-decorate na yung Christmas tree. So, let's work with what we have right now. And kung feeling ko kulang pa siya, we might go to Hobby Lobby sa mga susunod na araw. I'm not sure yet kasi wala kaming masyadong day off na magkasama kami ni Mac. And gusto ko pag pumupunta ako ng Sioux City, kasama ko siya. Sasamahan niyo ako guys as I decorate our home para magkaroon naman ng vibe na pa-Christmas na at parang, you know, home away from home, something like that.
Alone it's Christmas, but I won't wait till next year to try and fill the distance we've had with decorations in my bag. It's taking it slow, won't work on time. It's only so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing sometimes. I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this Christmas. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for.
So, since yung mga ornaments natin guys, like this one and this stuff here, ay wala pa po silang mga tali or wala silang hook, I need to add hook sa kanila para masabit natin yung mga ornaments sa Christmas tree natin. So, I got here this one. I hope okay siya para dito sa mga malalaki rin. Uy, okay naman, in fairness. Ganyan. Ayan, para masabit natin siya. So, lalagyan ko muna silang lahat, guys, ng ornament hook. Ayan, bago natin sila talagang isabit. Pero yung iba, meron naman na silang mga tali or meron na silang mga hook. So, tatanggalan ko lang sila ng mga tags and then magsasabit na tayo, which is the most exciting part.
This year you've left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about is realized. Me walking barefoot in the San Diego snow. I wanna make you, I wanna make you, I wanna make you.
Okay guys, so medyo may ilaw na siya. Kung tutusin, okay naman na to. Pero I want something sana na mas maliwanag pa. And then this one, meron pala siyang iba't ibang setting. So, I need to get our shorter extensions para malagay ko sa ilalim. Kasi yung saksakan niya is nandito sa side na ito, sa pinakababa. Dapat sana doon para for me to easily plug and unplug it. And then, bibili ako ng timer na lang. para even if we're not here, mag-on and off siya. Something like that. Ide-decorate ko pa din siya, put all the ornaments kasi as I've said a while ago, kahit magkulang yung ornaments at least, ma-put up ko na siya. And then, dadagdagan na lang in the long run. Tapos pati yung ilaw actually, pati yung Christmas light, I will add one more or two more para tatlo talagang pak na pak yung ilaw niya. Gusto ko sana yung ganun. But, we'll see. In this coming days, kung makapunta kaming Hobby Lobby to buy more stuff. The original plan for this Christmas tree is a musical Christmas sana for our decoration, not just for the Christmas tree. Pero sobrang hirap guys na humanap ng mga ornament na para sa Christmas tree. So, I got here a flute na binili ko. But then, tinatamad akong aralin muna siya. So, we're gonna use it as a decoration for now. Kasi may nakita ko actually na, na ganito. Parang, hindi siya flute yung ginamit nila. Parang saxophone or something like a wind, instrument. So, we're gonna put it here para, you know, like the feels of the musical,
I
ganyan siya.
celebrate you. God did his thing with you. Don't be a stranger, be my date. Without you, this ain't a holiday. So let me be your family this Christmas. Be your family. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Be your gift to you, myself this year. I promise I'm yours.
Ay, so...
Ano suksok mo?
Hindi nga, hanggang ganyan lang siya.
Default mo ah.
Masyadong mataas. I-return na natin. Hindi naman pala natin magagamit. Mahal, paharap mo dito. Ganun mo pa, twist. Ganyan. Yan. Good job, my love. Hindi kita. I mean, hindi kita kasi puti. Dapat pala gold sana yung kinuha ko, no?
Pinturahan natin ah.
No, but it's fine.
Saklutan na, saklatan. You catch me.
Catch me.
Ah!
Ayan kasi kung ano-anong ginagawa.
Hey, gingerbread man, where's your Christmas spirit? I would like to see you dancing. Come on, take a first step. My love is gifted for you to help you through the river. I know you went through a lot, but why not take a second shot? Hey, gingerbread man, where's your Christmas spirit? Tell me, where's your Christmas spirit? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, the red-nosed reindeer was found. There'll be a miracle this time, and you will not fall into the...
Hey guys, update. Nakaidlip ako after I decorated the tree. Kanina, gusto ko sanang maglinis muna, mag-vacuum ng floor, and then, tsaka ko aayusin yung mga decoration na para sa mga table, sa side table, tsaka sa center table. So guys, parang alam mo yun, sobrang hindi ko maintindihan talaga yung katawan ko ngayon. Parang kung may sakit na ewan, pero wala naman akong lagnat. Parang ang dry ng lalamunan ko. Oh my God, Lord, wag naman. Nagpa-flu shot kasi ako kahapon, guys. Kaya siguro, masama yung pakiramdam ko. Kasi ang sakit ng braso ko hanggang ngayon. Sobrang sakit ng braso ko. I tried to sleep, pero hindi talaga ko makatulog. Kaya nanood na lang ako ng movie while on the bed. Tapos, naman ako, recharge naman ako kahit papano. Anyway, guys, we have the tree. It looks so good at night. Pero yun nga lang, alam mo kung ano ang hindi ako masyadong happy dito. Yung light, sobrang scarcity of light ang nangyari. Kasi ang lalaki din ng decoration, so yung ibang bulbs, di ba, ang konti na nga lang kasi ng light niya. Tapos yung ibang bulbs pa ay natakpan siya kasi sobrang dami pala ng ornament. Hirap na hirap akong pagkasyahin silang lahat dyan kanina. Ang hindi ko na alam kung paano ko sila ihahang kasi
Kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung paghahang ko sa kanila, wala silang, hindi yung parang nakabitin. Alam mo yung hindi mo makikita yung mga hook or yung parang tali nila, ganun. Parang ang gusto ko kasi sa kanila, yung parang nakastuck talaga sila doon. Yung parang part talaga sila ng tree. Kaya medyo nahirapan ako na ilagay lahat ng ornaments na available kanina. Pero nagawa naman ng paraan. It took me like 2 or 3 hours just to do this. Kasi binabalance ko pa. Pero I'm so proud of it. I'm so happy about it. Surprise kanina si Mac pagbaba niya. Ang mistake ko lang dito guys, ang medyo regret ko rin dito sa tree na to is our tree topper. It's white. Kasi nga, ang ginawa ko is, di ba nga yung theme dito is white and gold na musical. Ang kinuha kong tree topper is white, not knowing our paint dito sa bahay ay white din. So, hindi siya masyadong halata. Kahit pala wala na sana siyang tree topper kasi yung Christmas tree namin, guys, kung i-extend ko talaga siya, abot na siya hanggang ceiling namin. Kaya, fold lang ni Mac kanina yung end ng tree para lang malagyan namin yung tree topper namin. Kasi feeling ko hindi ko na siya ma-return. Hindi ko na rin alam kung nasaan yung receipt ng Hobby Lobby. I-stage ko lang yung ibang decor. Stage! Kala mo naman, nagde-decorate talaga ng bahay. Hindi naman.
Cold nips at your toes. Wrap up in winter clothes. Can you be mine for Christmas? Can you be mine for Christmas? I've been good all year. So what I want to hear.
Hey guys! So, finally, i-end ko na po itong ating video. Nakita nyo naman na kung ano yung naging final result sa mga pinag-aayos natin. medyo final result na yan. I think the Christmas tree, I'm already good with that. Hindi ko na siguro dadagdagan ng anything. With regards to ornament, sobra na siya, in fairness naman sa akin. Yun lang talaga ang Christmas light, but I realized hindi na siya ganun kadali lagyan ng Christmas lights kasi natapos ko na yung mga decoration niya. Kasi guys, yung mga ornaments niya talagang parang nakalock na siya kasi may ornament wire akong ginamit. So, I'm already okay with that. Hindi na ako bibili ng anything. Dito sa salas, I think I'm okay with it already. Hindi na siguro kami bibili ng ibang decoration. Yung mga wreath namin, hindi ako maglalagay ng wreath in front. Dito na lang. Kaya nakita nyo, di ba, yung wreath dito is nasa likod siya ng door. Kasi, hindi naman ako nagde-decorate for them. I am decorating for myself. Gusto ko kasi na every time that we come home, ayan, alam mo yun, yung kahit papano man lang, ma-feel namin na, oh, it's home. Kasi, hindi nga kami masyado talagang nagde-decorate, guys. We keep our place clean, but we don't decorate a lot. Ayan. So, eto lang yung parang naging festive talaga yung bahay. Kasi alam mo naman, Pilipino, ayan, talagang maano tayo sa Christmas. And I love Christmas talaga, guys. Sobrang gusto ko yung feels kapag festive na Christmas and New Year talaga. But unfortunately, I will be working on the New Year's Eve and I think on New Year's Day. So, it's fine. Yun nga lang kasi hindi naman duty si Mac that time. So, ayun. But on Christmas Eve and on Christmas Day, we will be spending the time together with Ida Grove friends. And then, I think before that, we have Christmas pajama party. Not really party, pero parang magre-restaurant hopping kami kasama ng mga ka-workmates ko. So, a lot of stuff will be happening. And, comment down below, guys, kung kagaya ko rin kayo na medyo na-stress sa gift giving. Kasi, ang hirap bumili ng regalo para sa mga tao na meron naman na sila. Lahat. Hindi ko alam anong ibibigay ko. Kung ako siguro tatanungin, ang hirap mo namang regaluhan kasi you have everything na. Ako, ang gusto ko lang, just give me anything consumable na mga pang-laundry. I'm not kidding when I said it. Sabong panlaba. Di ba? Bigyan mo akong sabong panlaba. Thank you. Kasi siya pong bibilin ko. Yun, hindi ko kasi alam kung I don't have anything to ask for. I'm so thankful kasi this is my second time na mag-Christmas and New Year dito sa US. And this is our first Christmas together ni Mac as a married couple. Diba? Oh my God, magti 3 years na kami. Malapit kami mag 3 years na married. Pero ngayon pa lang kami magkasama na Pasko. But bumabawi naman na kami ngayon sa mga oras na di kami magkasama noon. Wala, sacrifice kasi talaga noon eh. So yun guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope na na-inspire ulit kayo. You know what, while I was decorating this tree, sabihin ko lang sa inyo, segue, ang haba ng sasabihin ko. Parang sabi ko, sana hindi maisip ng mga tao na I am bragging what I have right now. I'm very thankful guys kasi alam mo yung ganitong Christmas tree dati, parang pangarap ko lang siya. Yeah, we have Christmas tree but not as fancy as this. Na yung ano pa lang niya, ornament pa lang niya, more than, magti $300 yung nakakabit pa lang dyan, $300 na, yung tree pa, tapos iba pa yung mga, diba, parang sabi ko, sana yung mga basbata sa akin na, or kahit yung mga magulang na, hindi nila ma-afford yung ganitong Christmas decoration, don't feel bad because you can't afford this stuff yet. But use it as an inspiration, guys. Kasi tingnan mo, nung nagtatawa na nga kami nung kapatid ko nung nasa Costco kami. Yung Christmas tree namin dati, guys, sanga ng bayabas na pininturahan lang namin ng red. Tapos may Christmas light na siya. Yun yung Christmas tree namin noon. Tapos wala kaming ornaments na naaalala ko. Ang naaalala ko na kuryente pa ako doon nung sinaksak ko yung Christmas light namin. Yun, sana ma-inspire kayo na to follow your dreams, na hindi kayo mag-give up. Gano'n man kahirap ang buhay. If you follow your dreams, you pray for it, you work for it, and talagang hindi kayo mag-give up, guys. You will be in that stage wherein you will say, I'm comfortable. I'm comfortable in life. Sabi ko nga kay Mac kanina, wala naman lang ako, okay na ako, masaya naman ako. Kaya okay lang. Parang I don't have anything to ask for. But you know what? If I'm feeling like this, I'm a little bit scared. Kasi baka feeling ko, ano kaya yung something na ibibigay ng Panginoon na for me to realize that, hey, life is not that easy. Ano kaya yung iaalaw ng Panginoon na trials na dumating sa amin. But I know we will be able to survive those sa tulong ng Panginoon. So, ayun. Sana lang talaga guys na ma-inspire kayo. And thank you so much everyone for watching our vlogs. And thank you so much everyone for supporting the vlog and for supporting us. Ayan, sa pag-share nyo na rin at pagko-comment nyo sa mga vlogs namin. It really means a lot kapag nagko-comment kayo. And it helps the algorithm na ma-share yung aming mga videos. Thank you so much everyone. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is Joy of Mia. And I will talk to you guys on my next one. Bye!
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees.